Hello guys, welcome back to another Austin M. Clark channel video. Today I'm going to teach you to make a paper airplane for beginners, alright? First you're going to need one blank piece of printer paper. Alright, got that? Alright, so we got our one piece of printer paper. And then we're going to make it tall way. We're gonna make it tall ways. It's called a port. The fancy name for it is called portrait. So we're gonna have it in the portrait shape formation. And then we're gonna fold our top corner, any corner, left, doesn't matter if left or right. It will be better to do them both at once. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna take both top corners. I'm going to fold them down. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like after. Make sure to have a tight crease on there. Then here's what it's going to look like. And then make a wings. I'm going to fold it in half. Make sure to have a tight crease. There's going to be a lot of tight creases. You could do any side you would like, but you have to fold it up, alright? To make your basic paper airplane. Then make a tight crease. There you go. You have this. It will be the same on both sides. Then now we're going to make the wings. It's kind of like a train, right? Go, shoo! It's a flying train. Whoa! Alright, now time to make the wings on our paper airplane. Like right now, it can't fly. It only goes on the ground. So we need to make this go in the air. So we're going to take one of our sides. I'm going to go with this side right here. And we're going to fold it down. Alright. Fold it down. Make a tight crease. And then it's only going to look like that. That's pretty bad, right? So we need to do that to the other side. Flip to the other side. And bring it down. A way that you'll make all the foldings, make it better. So try to meet a corner. You can do this on this part. Meet a corner with a corner. Alright, so on this side I'm gonna meet the corner with the corner. That's how we like to do it. Like that, alright? Then we just have this. But then when we open the wings up, it becomes our paper airplane. You can modify it just like so. You can make it like this to make it a little bit better. I'm gonna make some modifications, so I'm gonna whip it just a tiny bit on the back of the wing. Then I'm gonna fold it down like this. Then I want to bring it back up. Not all the way back, just make it straight up. You don't have to do this, so I'm just going to do that. Just put it down. Fold it right where it meets. Bring it back up. Now, there's our paper airplane. You can color it however you want. You can do, like when we're making the wings, you can draw anything on the wings or put your initials on here, right here on either side. So that's how we're gonna make our paper airplane. I'm gonna make a new one and customize mine. I'm gonna customize mine and then make it however I want. And then we're gonna have our paper airplane. Then we're gonna test it. Alright? Here we go. So, all right. Paper. Paper. Not like this way. Portrait. Fold our corners down. Be easier to do it at the same time. Just like so. It's gotta be quick. I don't want to waste your guys' time on this video. So, be quick, alright? Alright. Go. Corner with the corner. Down. Crease. Tight crease. Right. This right to the side. Meet the creases. Meet the corners. Then take crease. Now make sure it's perfect. Rest apply it. Alright, perfect. Now we're gonna stop after you got both wings folded down. Then you can go ahead and color with crayons. I like the Sunny Glide crayons. Those are the best crayons. You don't have to use those. You can use Crayola or any type of other crayon. I'm gonna do like some designs on here. Come on, orange. You can do the same design, or you can, as I am, and you can color it however you want. I'm just researching this from YouTube and I'm recreating it. So, my crayon just broke. Whoops! Now I can get another Sunny Glide crayon and keep coloring. Try to press pretty hard so you can see the color really good. I'm gonna do my favorite colors, orange and red. You can do any kind of design. You can even do drawings with a permanent marker and a pencil. And also you can actually I will link this link down in the description of how does a paper airplane fly. It's a mystery science video if you heard of those. Got that. Time to get our red. Just grab that on it. Good enough. Actually, I'll do some different colors. If you have a colored pencil that you would like to use, you can use crayons and or colored pencils. We wouldn't want to use colored pencils because we wouldn't want to use markers because it can bleed through. It'll bleed through the paper and get inside of our airplane. That's why I prefer to use crayons or colored pencils. I'm gonna do different designs on the side. I'm gonna do all kinds of different colors. All right. All right. See you guys soon. All right. So we got our airplane all colored. Got the orange and the red, yellow, and blue. You can color these. You can color the whole plane if you like. I just like to do this. So, on the top. So it'll be good. And then we're gonna unfold the wings, just like that, and do this as well, both sides. Back down, back up. There's our paper airplane. So now we're gonna test it. All right, here we go. All right, now I'm going to have my paper airplane right here. The red, yellow, and blue, and my orange. Those are my 4 paper colors. And then we're going to see how this flies, alright? Got our colors, got our plane, ready. 3, 2, 1. Wait, until I throw this paper airplane, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, are you ready? Alright. 3, 2, 1. That's not my good. Right, now let's try. We'll modify the airplane and see how that goes. Ready? 2, 1. That did even worse. So, just for me, paper airplanes don't fly that well because I'm not that very good of a paper airplane flyer. And another thing you can do, you can make 2 airplanes and put an airplane inside of the airplane. It could work, but it would create more weight. So let's see how this even does. 3, 2, 1, go. That did better. That did actually really good. So I'm going to do some modifying still. Let's see you guys after I'm done. Alright, so we have it right here. It's all taped together. I put the tape in there so it won't come out. See like this? It's 2 airplanes in one. Let's see how it does. Ready? 3, 2, 1, you go. Alright, try it spin again. It was pretty good. Pretty good. I'm good. Alright. Alright. 3, 2, 1. And make sure it goes kind of close to the ground. If you're kneeled down, like I am, make sure it's kind of close to the ground. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Well, that's bad. That was bad. Alright, let me see if I can make it over to you. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god, that was so good. Alright guys, that's how you make a paper airplane for beginners and how you can customize it. You can make 2 and do what I did. Tape it together if you have some tape at home. And if you'd like some help, ask an adult in your family to help you. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. This is Austin, signing out. Peace. See ya.